Hey everyone, is Cloud AI not working properly for you? In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Cloud AI problems step by step. Yeah, whether the issue is loading errors, slow responses, connection problems, or missing features, these solutions can help you get Cloud AI running again. First, check your internet connection. Cloud AI needs a stable connection to load properly and process requests. Try refreshing the page, restarting your router, or switching to a different network if your connection seems unstable. Next, refresh the Cloud AI page and try again. Sometimes temporary website glitches can prevent features from working correctly. A simple refresh can often fix small loading problems. If Cloud AI is still not working, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, remove stored website data, and restart the browser before accessing Cloud AI again. You can also try using a different browser or opening Cloud AI in private or incognito mode. This helps identify whether browser extensions or outdated settings are causing the problem. If Cloud AI is running slowly or not responding, check if your browser or device has too many applications running in the background. Closing unnecessary programs can free up resources and improve performance. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers can sometimes create compatibility issues with modern AI websites and features. If you are using a Cloud AI account with specific tools or features, check that you are signed in correctly and that your plan or permissions allow access to those features. If the issue continues, check the Cloud AI service status or wait for a temporary server problem to be resolved. So sometimes the problem may be on the service side and not your device. And that's how you fix Cloud AI not working issues. By following these steps, you can solve many common problems and get back to using Cloud AI smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.